The Internal Revenue Service Form 2848 is a document utilized when designating someone else to file taxes on behalf of the entity or individual. The acts authorized here allow a tax attorney or accountant to represent someone else and to submit taxes to the Internal Revenue Service on the principal's behalf. Where to file an IRS power of attorney? The form should be filed with the appropriate tax entity by the person or entity being represented, the principal, either by mail or via e-file. The document may be completed by the representative, but is required to be signed by the person who is issuing his or her authority to the representative being named. Once the Form 2848 is completed, it should be mailed to the appropriate regional IRS office. Consult the filing directions on the IRS website to determine where to send your form. Exceptions. If you're granting a power of attorney for a single matter, instead of giving general authorization for a return year or longer, then the authorization form should be mailed to the IRS office that is handling the matter. What authority does this form grant? This form authorizes another person to act as a representative in a specified class of tax matters. The authorized agent must be an eligible person to practice before the IRS. This means an individual with appropriate formal credentials, such as lawyers, tax accountants, actuaries, and other professional family members of the primary filer, and those with appropriate tax preparation training. Once the power of attorney is granted, the agent is empowered to act as a stand-in in dealings with the IRS. Form 2848 requires that the authority that is granted is time-specific, so the agent will have the power to request and view tax records, prepare and sign agreements, consents, and waivers, and tackle other administrative matters for just the specified year or years. The same Form 2848 may be submitted to the IRS with the word revoke written across the top. A copy of this document should be saved in case any subsequent difficulties. Alternatively, a new document may be drawn up specifying the terms of the original authorization and indicating the powers to be withdrawn. This revocation of powers may be either partial or total.